Hey, so if GatherTown feels laggy, slow, or keeps freezing, yeah, that can totally ruin the experience. But the good news is this usually has some quick fixes. Let's go through them step by step. First, check your internet connection. Gather relies on real-time movement and video, so if your connection is unstable, things can get laggy fast. Next, close any heavy apps running in the background, like video editors, games, or too many browser tabs. Inside Gather settings, reduce your video quality or turn off your camera if needed. This can instantly improve performance. Make sure you're using a supported browser like Chrome. It usually performs better with Gather compared to others. Try refreshing the page. Yeah, this resets the session and often clears temporary lag. Here's something important. If too many people are around your avatar, it can slow things down. Try moving to a less crowded area. If the issue continues, clear your browser cache. Old data can sometimes cause performance problems. Restart your browser or even your device. It sounds basic, but yeah, it works more often than you'd think. Try disabling browser extensions, especially ad blockers or heavy plugins. They can slow things down. If nothing works, try another device. Older devices may struggle with Gather's performance, so yeah, that's how you fix lag and slow performance in GatherTown. Just a few tweaks can make a big difference. If this helped, check out more quick guides like this.